God never joined Nigeria together. The British did it for their own self-interest. How could we join Yoruba and Fulani together if you want us to move forward? You see Yoruba people in Benin Republic and Togo, but you decided to join us with our enemy who don't understand our language, who don't understand our culture, and you cause a lot of bloodshed and heavily poverty on us. Come and end Nigeria now. That's why we are agitating. Yoruba nation is what we want. No retreat, no surrender. Yeah, man. Eba sign petition, àti wo one chance. Eba sign petition, àti wo one chance. We are done with Nigeria, we are done. We the Southerner and the middle better. We got the high Q, not the high key, not the killy way like the other region. Eba sign petition, àti wo one chance. Eba sign petition, àti wo one chance. Boko Haram key, S-men they key. All the bandits where they key, all of them na them. They use the soldier kill my people, use the Agbero boys. Politician kill my people, Nigeria na joke. That's why we are done with Nigeria. That's many people call terrorist area. We are signing petition for a new nation. ODUDUWA nation dying so. We are tired of the shot every day. Up never ends and soldier killing. Terrorist headquarters in Nigeria. Yoruba nation lying so. Oh yeah. BIAFRA nation lying so. Oh yeah. Eba sign petition, àti wo one chance. Eba sign petition, àti wo one chance. Eba sign petition, àti wo one chance. We will never surrender. Yoruba people must free. We are done with Nigeria, we are done. Àwọn other people wọ́n pariwo wọ́n Nigeria just because resources dey for Southern region. Àwọn politicians wọ́n pariwo restructuring. They want to keep on stealing more money. Àgbọ̀pọ̀ àwọn leader kan ti fẹ́ gba restructuring. Àtètè kóra wájọ kò há sáré ṣe mítìnì. Èmi league public pẹ̀lú Mr. Koiki, kábíyèsí ọba àṣà pẹ̀lú tẹ́mítẹ́lì, Èjìnìọlá Òsàtọ́lá pẹ̀lú Sunday Igboho. Àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ṣe pé láì ṣe pọ́npọ́wọ́ wọn ní kò ní da fẹ́ni tó ń fẹ́ wọ Nàìjíríà. Ẹ̀yin fẹ́ wọ Nàìjíríà kí Fúlàní lè máa rẹ́rìn. Ẹ fẹ́ gba restructuring kí politician lè happy. Kàn wá sọ wá dẹrú àwọn ọmọ níbi níran. Ká ṣe dẹ́rẹ́bà fún mọ̀mọ́ ká tún lọ ṣe fọmọ náà. Kò ní da fẹ́ni tó ń fẹ́ wọ Nàìjíríà. Motherfucker came to Africa, join us together with the motherfucker people where they kill their brother. And they call it one Nigeria, we can't be one. We don't have the same culture, how can we be one? They never look like me, they are not my brother. Yoruba people out there, in Benin and Togo. I don't know why Oyibo people say they are not my brother. And they sign amalgamation with another people. Amalgamation when they sign now dry expire. But the ham robbers see they say they want Nigeria. Only that fẹ́ni tó fẹ́ want Nigeria. Want Nigeria too dangerous. Don't be God join us together. One Nigeria na bullshit. British join us together. Oh no. Enemies join us together. Oh no. Eba sign petition, àti wo one chance. Eba sign petition, àti wo one chance. Eba sign petition, àti wo one chance. We will never surrender. Yoruba people must free. We are done with Nigeria. We are done. Yeah. When the motherfucker want to enter your village, they're gonna pretend like mumu and good people. They be say rankadede, la ila. But they will come in the midnight and kill you, rape your wife, rape your children. But their master will look other side. We use this opportunity to call on you, our leaders. Obasanjo, Tinubu, Bisi Akande, Lai Muhammad, Wike, Rotimi Amechi. All our Southerner leaders, don't deceive yourself. Nigeria will never work. Nigeria is a business center for the British and Northern Empire. British, if you don't come and end Nigeria now, may the blood of innocent people and their spirit begin to haunt your generation. End Nigeria now, motherfucker. You know they work for poor masses. Yeah, man. So that's okay. Leak, Babli. All the motherfucker leaders know they hear what? Yorubaji, hey, Masu. All the motherfucker people want to kill you. One Nigeria. I'm on a bullshit, that is why we agitating. Yoruba nation is the way now. Army boss, immigration, police boss, and the custom, annex boss, me yeti hala, Mr. President, and Boko Haram. Meloni Mofeka, all power and nothing. One Nigeria, it is a weapon. They used to kill our youth and they take our land. Hello people, am I gone? All the motherfucker leaders want to rob me, they want to kill me. No problem. Everybody ready know they are Mr. Killer. Constitution where the right send a higher killer. Many people don't they pray for a new nation. When my people hungry, they never see better food. The only food where they see nagari and fufu. But the politicians son never cry for food. They get a lot of money. money, hit equality, food. No retreat, no surrender, Yoruba nation. Ogun go kill anybody we want Nigeria. That's why we are done with Nigeria. That many people call poverty area. We are signing petition for a new nation. ODUDUWA nation, taye so. We are tired to the shout every day. No money, no water, no food to eat. Poverty headquarters in Nigeria. Yoruba nation, taye so. Oh yeah, BIAFRA nation, taye so. Oh yeah. Ebáwâ sign petition, Atiwo one chance. Ebáwâ sign petition, Atiwo one chance. We never surrender, Yoruba people must free. We are done with Nigeria, we are done. We are done with Nigeria, we are done. Hey. We are done with Nigeria, we are done. We are done with Nigeria, we are done. Hey. Ebáwâ sign petition, Atiwo one chance. Ebáwâ sign petition, Atiwo one chance. Ebáwâ sign petition, Atiwo one chance. Ebáwâ sign petition, Atiwo one chance.